Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to Tour ChatGPT Interface. This is a ChatGPT interface. Here are chat option and here dark and light mode. If I click dark mode, then this screen automatically dark mode. So click dark mode now, right? And this option OpenAI discard, and these are update and FAQ. So if I click update and FAQ options, then it will be shown new interface, and here's some content, and look right side here, show messenger icon, right? Now click here and maybe it will be contact support or something like this. Need to wait few seconds. Now this is contact option. You can send a message here or need help search button, and okay. Now go back ChatGPT main interface, and here see new chat, and that means when you here ask any questions, then this title automatically write here and save this. Now here ask some questions like write a review about iPhone 13 Pro Max and enter. So friends, look this, he will automatically generate content. So after put question here, then it will be automatic write a review. So the iPhone 13 Pro Max is an impressive device with a sorting 6-inch OLED display, powerful A15 Bionic chip, and 5G capabilities. The camera system is top-notch with a triple lens setup that includes a 12 MP ultra-wide and telephone lens. So overall, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-end, feature-packed smartphone. So hopefully, do you understand how to use ChatGPT interface for your work purpose? Thanks for watching this video.